Sounds of the verse.
Yeah. You don't know sounds of the verse, yeah? Big busy inside right now, yeah? Yeah. Answer everyone locked in. What we saying, yo? Yeah. Yeah, chat when you're there. Roll out to the ombre. Yeah, I wrote this lyric on a Sunday. Man chat wicked than the rhythm till I run them. Too much sauce, I be coming with the content. All that gas, but you never did accomplish. Nothing with a pattern, you be blabbing like you done things. Never had a backing, so I did it on my ones. I'll spin around like Al Green. Deep it, brought back with a 16 when I beat it. Kill a MC with a lyric bare face, and I still bust case like Annalise Keaton. Could've been a war. Should've known better than nothing, cause I preed it. Live to learn to live. I told them boys, I'll be the best kept secret, yeah? Live to learn, it's mad, I had to laugh. Big up Adrian, cause that's my dog. Had my back before the cash and cars, before the girls, before we had to arms. Last week I had to dash, beep, I skirted and crashed the car. Reversed the whip, then after had to car. The worst thing is, I'm learning how to partner. Nah, this ain't a thing to me. They wanna know where I go, who's linking us. You're getting old trying to phone who's into us. But grow up, man, I'm too big for ya. I ain't perfect, man's done sins, you know. Fuck Gemma, but I never fuck sin for ya. Been a pimp, you know, when I'm thinking of. Give me a minute and let me quick, yo, yeah. Bust shots for the legend with a plan. Swinging a man with a weapon in my hand. Hot flows that I drop, I'm a river when I rap. Killing everybody when I pepper in the track. Like you never had a in a man with a pepper in the crack. Running from the police, cause they be getting in the trap, yeah. Real life from up, you can really hit 11 in my rap. Never begging for the cash, I'm from London to Swindon. Them man copy the flows I invent. When it comes to the big stars, I bring them. You can't take a big man for infant, nah. I catch my car like whoa. I done the chain, had me doing 10 toes. Building up my lyric, I'm studying my flow. Like when I come true, man, I really gotta try know you will get an uppercut and then your bow. Better hope you get ready to go toe to toe. Try approach, got a lyric that will turn into a ghost. Try pattern on the rhythm, I'm a killer with a smoke. Bigger than a slack, put it on the show. Now I'm coming, I can really see the shiver in your soul. In with a new, out with an old. Gonna put up on the rhythm, I'm a blood clot pro like the big man just land. And I got a pen from damn. Brock face with a drop, yeah, that's slang. MAF, that's money and fam. Part-time bad man, no you don't bang. Life's too crazy, can't put it on gram. Man sell beats, I ain't gotta sell grams. Had a big tune barking, something like rams. Been on the road, not about trap. Set's good, no I can't run down gal. Can't trust people, cause they love chat. Dry snitching, you're a blood clot rat. Been true money, so I know about racks. Clean heart nigga, I ain't gotta act bad. Tell a man don't get gassed, you ain't gonna do shit, don't hold a man back. Yeah, that's life. Tryna get paid, but yeah, that's life. And I be banging out shifts, even though my manager's a prick. Oh well, that's life. If I fall in love with a bitch, that's life. I'm just trying to get so rich, that's life. And I be banging out shifts, even though my manager's a prick. Oh well, that's life. Like, oh, boom.
Sounds of the verse.
Sounds of the verse. Yeah, that's right.
Sounds
no
of
rules
the
in this thing, yeah?
verse.
We're back. Rhyme is not dead. What happened to them?